Viewers, welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bloom where you are planted. Happiness blooms from within. The earth laughs in flowers. Flowers are love's truest language. Live life in full bloom. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. Every flower blooms in its own time. A flower blossoms for its own day. Let your dreams blossom. Flowers whisper beauty to the world. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Not every flower belongs in the same garden. A sunflower follows the light, so should we. Beauty fades, but flowers live in memories. A flower's struggle makes its bloom sweeter. Grow through what you go through. Be patient, nothing in nature blooms all year. Storms make flowers root deeper. Flowers are Earth's way of smiling. A daisy is a sunbeam in petal form. Like wildflowers, grow free and untamed. A flower's beauty never fades in the heart. The secret of life is hidden in petals. A wilted flower is still a flower. Bloom with grace, even in storms. A single rose can be a whole garden. Flowers teach us resilience and beauty. Even a weed is a flower in disguise. Floral scents are nature's love letters. A world without flowers is a dull place. Like flowers, we flourish with love. The beauty of a flower is its soul,